Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by launching Digital Color Meter. Open Spotlight with Command Space and type Digital Color Meter, then press Enter. Once the app is open, make sure the display profile matches your monitor so readings are accurate. Set the sample size to 1x1 for pixel-accurate sampling or 3x3 for averaged color. This choice affects precision versus noise. Also switch the color readout format, sRGB. Display native, so values match your target workflow before you move on. Next, position the cursor over the area you want to sample. You see live RGB, hexadecimal, or other component values updating in real time. If you need to freeze a reading, press Command-L to lock the sample so you can inspect it without losing position. Once locked, use Shift-Command-C to copy the value to clipboard. Make sure the readout format matches your use case, hex for web, or native RGB for design files, and change the aperture to refine the measurement when needed. To finish, paste the copied hex or RGB values into your design app, CSS, or documentation. If colors look off when applied, recalibrate your monitor or switch the digital color meter display profile. Mismatched profiles are the most common cause of discrepancies. Once done, try a larger sample size to average noisy pixels and resample under consistent lighting. If values still shift, restart the app or test another user account to rule out preferences or system-level color management issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.